guys, hope you're having a beautiful evening. Hope your day is beautiful. They helping me do some dishes. We actually about to do something a little fun. We're gonna do fried Oreos and French toast. Actually, I have this stuff sitting down. Let me stop because it's full. I don't know how long my phone is gonna let me record, but cinnamon, a little sugar, egg, bread, oil, pancake mix, and this, and that's gonna be for. And we also got another challenge coming up, the beans. We got a lot of stuff, good stuff coming. So come watch me do some. What is it called again? Fried Oreos and some French toast. Right now, what I can do is French toast. I wash my hands. Can I wash my hands? Gotta wash the hands. Get a napkin. They're gonna do some of the dishes because I can't cook it. There's no room for me to cook. And dry your hands. If you have paper towel, use a rag. Alright. Let's get this started. I just wash my hands to touch all on myself. Jesus Christ. We're gonna start the dip for the French toast. I'm gonna let the girls cook it since I'm gonna prep it for them. But like I said before, I'm trying to tell them that we're a team. You have to help me. You have to help me. Alright, I think that's enough. So we can save this. Okay, here we go. We put some eggs in there. That's for the dip for the French toast. Now we're gonna put what happened? What she do? That's what I'm mad. She gotta do the dishes. I'll be mad too. But oh no, we don't put cereal. Sugar. I'm about to put sugar inside of it. What we are gonna put in there is a little bit of salt. Actually, I am gonna put a little bit of sugar because I gotta dip this inside of here. So yeah, that's and I don't have that much syrup, so we're gonna make it work. They argue and look.
I watched pot and some stuff, but it's not a racist. You know racist? What? What?
Is there a problem?
She keeps saying, you see how fast
I'm not getting involved. Do we have a problem? We're doing us a video, right?
Yeah.
So you looked at me like you want to punch me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Jesus, I'm trying to tell you that they argue for everything. Literally. Now I'm off track. Oh, let's put a little bit of this. Because I don't have no more syrup. I have a little tiny bit. Or a little sweet with we like it a little sweet. We're gonna have the fried Oreos on the side with it. So hopefully this is enough to eat. Oh, Jesus. Again, I don't know how long, excuse me, the way I hold this camera, so I'm flinging it all around. I don't know how long my phone is gonna allow me to record, so whatever it do record, I hope you enjoy. And bear with me if you see me doing something wrong. I'm human. We're human. I'm new to this. And thank you for tuning in and watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's the headphone for me. Alright, I did enough of them because we're about to start dipping this in. Oh, you know what? Sorry, pass me. Wash out that glass one because we got to make the batter for this. We're not going to make it difficult. We're going to get this all done. So I have my batter going. I don't know why it looks so dark. But that's for this. And now she's washing out this she's washing out that so I can make the batter for that. It's coming along. It's coming along. We don't need no more sugar right now until I make the cake. Look at the tag. We almost finished, baby? Alright, you can come over here, wash your hands one more time, man. So you can start taking out some. I'm gonna put out a plate for you. Taking out a little bit of the bread. Let's keep this more. Ooh, wheat is kind of so little, but we're grateful. I digress. Love and light. Alright, come. Rinse it one more time to make sure there's no soap. Don't judge her. Story always have an attitude. Here. Alright, and what you could do is pull out a few breads. Say hi to the people, man. Say hi to the people. Alright, here, pull out some bread. Don't be shy. Story, what you could do is pour some. Story is going to, yeah, you stay over here. Story is going to pour some of this into here while I wash a pot that we have to use. Go ahead, don't put too much. Say hi, Story. Hi. Oh, bust my ass. Y'all saw that? Story's looking all sad in the face. That's how I'll put her on here. She's not like that. I promise you. She flips around here all day.
Well, I'm not mad.
We're not gonna argue. Love and light, love and light.
Mommy,
Don't touch this.
Mommy, I accidentally used the thing where I can put it in a garbage bag. Can you use the bread, please?
Okay.
That was hard.
Actually, I'm gonna pour that down the drain.
I gotta put four.
That's yours, but I'm gonna bust my butt.
Done. I put four.
With the oil, because it stops up the if you didn't know, it stops up the drain for oil.
Four.
Sorry, let me see how much is in there. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
I put four, Mommy.
Put this back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure, you're always worried about somebody else. You never paying attention to her. She was pouring it like you're making pancakes. You're making fried Oreos. You can put 2 extra ones. No, actually that's enough.
2. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that's enough. I'm still gonna keep. Alright, man. I'm gonna cook. This is a late brunch. They had breakfast actually. This is a late lunch, right? Sorry, this cup of oil, you pour it, go put it next to the front door. Where? And it's funny, it's funny. This cup right here. Please put it next to the front door. I was in a room doing my little study and they said, Mom, can we make lunch? Meanwhile, I was dating time. But they get up late. They get up mad late. And y'all see what I talk about when I say I do everything fast? Everything, literally. I love it.
What's this?
But
Crunched up Oreos.
no, that's the dip. Don't talk over it. That's the dip. It's the French toast. Oh, you got cinnamon in it. What you think French toast is?
I thought it was
I think I put a little bit too much
crunched up
cinnamon.
Oreos with milk.
I thought I put a little bit too much cinnamon, but it's alright because we don't have that much syrup. So what we're gonna do is I'll put a little bit of sugar in it. So I can have that little taste. Hopefully, 'cause I ain't never heard nobody put no sugar in a egg now. Dang. Get your thing, Ren. How you got your head thing on the
This is mine.
Then it looks like I said Ren. Sorry. Oh, you said that's yours.
Yeah.
Oh.
No? She got the,
You got the purplish one.
you got the purple one, I got the blue one. Remember?
It'd be like a pool after they're done doing the dishes. Yo, my kids is so funny because I made them mad yesterday, like ignored them. Y'all woke up to the hoverboard on the couch. They destroyed the living room and they went to sleep to the house being clean. Look at the smile. Look at this. Oh, she moving. I said, oh, this is the thing we having. Somebody's mad. What? Woke up and still had a beautiful morning. Look at their face. Look at them. Stick their eye. Y'all cute. Alright, come on, let's get this started. Story, you can pour the oil in this pot for me. We're gonna put y'all over here. Ren, you can help me. I can do the dip while she's pouring anything. Say hi to the store because you never said hi. That's story face. Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. That's evil, but actually this is for the fried Oreos, so I need a pot for that. What in the world? They washed one. Thank you. I was about to complain.
I washed that.
Thank you. Go ahead, sorry, pour it in.
Can you open this, please?
Jesus, no matter how hard I try to keep this clean. But that's a good thing. At least we're eating.
Mommy, can you open this, please?
Hold that. Squeeze it. Alright, let's put this here. Can you see?
That's enough?
No, hold on. More. Make it fried Oreos. A little bit more. Alright, that's enough. Well, you might as well put the rest. Shoot. We don't use oil like that.
The whole thing?
It's really not that much. Renee is so dramatic. We're making fried Oreos. If you know, you know. I'm not doing this for her. She barely know how to cook.
Yes, I done cook pancakes.
We need some milk. Do y'all want to put some cinnamon on y'all in your fried Oreo dip? In the dip? No? Yeah. I just put a little bit of. Why y'all sitting there looking at each other like that? Move on, my thing. That's our little googly eyes. I put a little bit of milk in here. That's the dip. What I'm gonna do is, because they don't want no cinnamon in Oreo dip, so they don't want no cinnamon in this, which I think that little kick will be cute. Story, watch out, baby. I told you, I don't want you in here looking sad. You're not sad, so I don't want you in here doing that. Can you smile like what you be smiling as soon as I turn this off? Oh, look at her. Look at her now. Like, I'm shutting it down. I don't got time. I don't got time.
That's why I made sure.
Oh. Let me see.
Made sure.
You made sure?
Yeah.
Like the story over there thinking. Damn, what the? Yeah, because I knew you was going to do that. I was going to tell her before I started the video. Don't start with that weird stuff. As soon as the video come on. Like, what are you doing? This is not a movie. Stop it. Stop it. Look at it. Thinking about it. Like, what? I'm not bugging. Alright, come on. You can mix. Who wants to mix this one up? You can mix it up. Let's get some positive energy while we doing it, please, ma'am. You ain't got a front, but be you. Hold on, I'm doing too much at once. First of all, I got the oil banging over here, and I ain't even dipped. You could dip.
I want some cinnamon
I
in
could
it.
dip together. A little bit of cinnamon, right? Look, that's my
looks
kid.
better.
It looked too plain. So can we put a little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit,
Not a lot.
please? Yes.
When you say a little
She
bit,
voted
it
out
means a
though.
lot. When you say a little bit, it means a lot.
Say it again.
When you say a little bit, it means a lot.
Well, a little bit for real, like your little bit. Please. And I need to dip this. Sorry.
Alright.
Can you flip the camera around so they can see it? Sorry. You're just covering it with
Sorry.
your whole hand. Alright. That ain't crazy. You just covered it. I think they'd be. Let me be quiet. Okay. Let me see. You got this going.
Yep.
Thank you too.
It's almost ready.
Alright, you move this. We got so much going on. We need a bigger everything. What will we put in this? What do we usually put in this? Butter. Give me the butter. And so you dip that inside there. Let me put some cinnamon in that. Come over here so they can see it. Ooh, there's a lot going on. Please, alright, mix that up good and fast because this is already getting hot. Sorry guys, I did not know. This is not something we do. We do fried Oreos, but unfortunately I haven't had French toast since being back. I'm gonna force the bag out. I actually never did French toast on my own, but you never say never.
What's it? The thingy?
That's finished. Alright, so you dip the Oreos in it. This is already getting hot. Watch your hands, God. What type of stuff on it? And this is too soggy. I can't use this. I don't think you're supposed to sit it in there for that long. Look, guys.
I dipped it in, Mommy.
Alright, put it in the oil.
Come over here. Put it in the oil.
I just wasted some egg.
Put it in.
Bubble.
Huh?
Sizzle. No. It's almost hot. Hold on. They didn't give you that sizzle. We need that sizzle. Sorry. It's a lot more. God, y'all just saw me waste the whole bread. Story, I need another piece of bread. Can you watch out, please? Please. It's already a lot going on. I should have prepared a little bit better. And let me not take my anger out on her. Because it ain't her fault. She ain't do nothing to me. Look at the bread. Look at all crippled. Let's pray. Please, Holy Father. Most High, cover me while I do this. Okay. Come on, y'all. Let's zip. 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 And hurry up and place up in that mold. Stop playing with her. Don't give up.
Here's another piece of bread.
We gotta laugh through this. We gotta laugh through this, you heard? Alright, you come.
There's still more stuff at the bottom.
It's okay. As long as she can zip more, because it's starting to sizzle over there. Y'all make sure y'all dip the thing.
Okay, you hold this and I dip it. I dip the next one.
I want to do one too. Let's make sure.
Wait, bring it over here more. Okay,
Careful.
another one in. I do the next one. Hold this. Hold on, let me wash my
I want to do one too. Give me. Come on, start that. Dip, dip, dip. Come closer. Ooh, your turn.
Okay, you hold this.
Go ahead, over there. Over there, baby. She acting like she's scared. I can feel it. Why you acting scared?
God, I don't want to burn myself.
No, you're not. Just rip it in there. Not hard so it don't splash. Go ahead. Your turn, Store. And keep going. You can put all of them in at one time. Serenity, you hold this for her because I got to flip that French toast. I don't want to burn it.
You said the thing. You said don't let it fall.
Okay. The only thing is, yeah, why you always have that thing? You always do that because even when...
Oh, you keep it in, right?
No. Not if you don't need it. Even when she was making the pancakes, if y'all guys tune back into that, I had to get on her. Like, no, you don't do that. She's trying to pour the pancakes and then be fancy with the spoon. Like, no. Oh, God, look what I just did. Don't use plastic.
It burnt. Mommy, is it just going to be an Oreo
You're
inside
going to use
this
this
thing?
one? Yeah. Sorry, you had this plenty of times.
Yeah, I know.
Please. There's no more Oreos?
It's my turn.
I don't know why y'all stopped, but I got it. Because those is already cooked. I got it. Come closer, baby. Here. Finish.
Yeah, I put it in there.
All right. I don't know why they stopped. Sorry for the little bit, but we like burnt sometimes. My French toast is French toast, and look at the fingers.
Bring it closer. Bring it closer.
You heard that? Ooh, stop playing. And facing all of the adversity, 24 minutes in, probably all kind of crazy eyes and all that. But we enjoying it. These is ready to come out, yeah. Look at this. These is ready to come out because they burning. All right.
Put it right there. Any more?
Ooh, don't slam it in like that. You got me good.
There's one more left.
Put it in, Serenity.
I can't do that, bro.
No, put it in. Put it in. That sucks. These is a little brown, but
Bring it
it's
closer,
alright.
sorry.
Be careful, because she got me good. Sorry, back up, because she got me good. You don't throw it in the oil. Never.
You gotta
Set it in, yeah, never. Burn my whole wrist. And don't look down. We make mistakes. It's alright. I'm teaching you so you don't do it again. You said sorry and watched me tell you it hurt me. You watched me tell you it hurt me and then did it again. That's why I told her back up so you don't burn up. Alright, let's get some. Turn this up a little bit. Yeah, we be going through it in here. They're my kids. I ain't gonna leave them alone. If anybody got them, I got them. I'm gonna tell them when they right, home, and different. Okay, that's love. We don't lie over here. All right, look, French toast coming out. Next one coming in. Give me story of ribbon on it.
Mommy, get the butter.
Turn it on.
Is it fit?
Bring this over here. Hold that.
And this.
All right, some of these need to come out. Story, bring me the plate for that.
There's a chunk on there.
Here. This is where it is. That's the
Why I put it in there? Kind of broke. No, you didn't put the butter in yet.
Thank you, sir. Teamwork definitely makes it a little bit better. The sister's going through it over here.
It break it. Because it's getting soggy.
Yeah, that's how you should have waited, but I told you to do it when you asked me to, so it's alright. You just gotta move that bread.
That's all right.
No, baby, wait. Can you please chill? Let me see. Sorry, pull out another bread. Pull out another bread.
Oh. Oh, bread is right here. Got it.
I don't like when I cook it. I cook over your food.
Got another bread.
Sorry, you gotta hurry up and make the eggs. Bring me the bread, baby. We get into it. I don't know what y'all just was seeing. I'm sorry, guys. The stove is literally on. But we had 2 missed hiccups with bread that we wasted. I did one and Ruben did one. Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some more bread, but that happens. I can't even try to get mad at it.
Just pour some of that butter in there.
If I could get it to come up. The butter is melting. Look at that.
Butter. Wow. How is it cooking?
It's still hot. So he said, how is it cooking if it's not even on? Hold on. Why is... I'm not even giving no praise, but it's a lot going on right now. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Alright, let me see.
This one might be good.
Alright. Let it cook. Okay, I can breathe now. Whew. I know y'all felt the tension. My kids laughing at me. I wish I could see them right now. Alright, we're gonna keep this here. We finished with that. That's melting. I know y'all saw that fall in. And where is, let's see. Story, can you pull out that plate so we can show them what we got so far? Because I'm going to end the video. Alright. Put it down, baby. Actually, hold it because it's mad dark. Alright. We got it still going. This is a challenge they're gonna do. I was holding the phone on that, but pick that up so you can put it over there. Those is actually beans. Open it up so they can see it. Those are the flavors. We're gonna sit down and do that as a family. I don't know when, because every time when I tell y'all, oh, I thought it stopped. Sorry. Every time when I tell y'all I'm gonna do something, it's like haters must be praying for it not to happen. So just bear with me.
Caramel.
We're gonna have a few things coming.
This one looks nasty.
They're really excited.
This one looks really good.
Love and light. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope your day was beautiful. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And what you say?
Share.
Hey.
Comment down below.
Hey, yay, 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 later.